Hello to all of you. I welcome every one of you to my YouTube channel Electronics Engineering. In this video, we are going to learn about Logic Gate Part 4. Now, Part 1 to Part 3, I have already uploaded the videos in my YouTube channel. The link of those videos I will put in the description box below. In this video, Logic Gate Part 4, we are going to study about AND gate. Now on the screen you can see a symbol of AND gate. Now symbol means how AND gate looks like. That is called as a symbol. So you can see on the left hand side you have terminal A and terminal B. Terminal A and terminal B represents the inputs that you are giving to AND gate. And at the right hand side you can see I have marked one terminal as Y. So Y equals to A dot B is the expression for AND gate output. I repeat, the left hand side of the screen explains the input. So this AND gate has two input A and input B, and output is marked as Y, and is equal to A dot B. It is also read as A and B. I again repeat, the output can be read in two ways. One is Y equals to A dot B and Y equals to A and B. Now, the screen over here displays the definition of AND gate. If you want, you can pause this video over here and you can jot down the definition. The AND gate, the definition of AND gate is the AND gate gives the high output only when the two of its input are at logic high. That means it will give logic 0 as the output if any one of its input goes low. I repeat, AND gate will always give an high output when all its input terminal are at logic 1. If any one of the input terminal goes low, that is logic 0, the output also becomes 0. Now on the screen you can see the table displayed for a 2-input AND gate. Now this table actually relates the input and output relationship. You can see on the right hand side there is a small formula which is written in the square box, that is 2 raised to n. 2 raised to n indicates the number of input combinations that we can make, and n represents the total number of inputs. Since this AND gate is a 2-input AND gate, here n is equal to 2. So 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Hence, the number of input combinations that we can make is 4. Here on the table, first column represents input A, second column represents input B, and the third column represents the output Y. Now, the first column A, how to write? Just listen. A has to be 2 0 and 2 1. B has to be 0 1 0 1 alternately. This is the way of writing. A will have 2 0 and then 2 1. B will have 0 1 0 1 alternately, and both the column will start with 0. Why? Because 0 represents logic low and it is always prefer to start with a low value. Hence, column A starts with 0, column B also starts with 0. So, the 4 combinations, as I said, 2 raised to n equals to, here n is 2, so 2 raised to 2 becomes 4. So, the 4 combinations of A and B are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Okay, these are the 4 combinations. These are the 4 input combinations. And I already said AND gate will only give the high output only when all its input are at high logic. So based on this definition, see the last row of the table. Last row of the table represents A equals to 1 as well as B equals to 1. A and B both are at 1, hence the output is 1, given by the AND gate. Now for the combination 0 0, here both are 0. Both the inputs are at logic low, hence the output is also at logic low. See the second combination 0 1. Here even though B is 1, A is 0. So terminal A is at logic low, hence the output is 0. For the third combination A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, now terminal A goes high and terminal B goes low. Hence, since one of the terminal is at low logic, output will always be low. I hope this table is very clear to you. This table is actually based on the definition of AND gate. So do not forget to remember the definition of AND gate. Now on the screen you can see the steps of how to draw or how to construct an AND gate. Step number 1, draw a vertical line. Step number 2, draw two parallel lines. Step number 3 is draw a half circle or a semicircle. Now, in the step number 4, you can see I have attached two input terminals and I have marked them as A and B, and one output terminal which is Y equals to A dot B. So this is the whole step starting from step number 1 to step number 4 to draw AND gate. I hope you understood the AND logic gate, what is the output expression of it, how the definition of AND gate goes, and how the truth table is formed, and the way to draw AND logic gate. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Electronics Engineering. Thank you and have a nice day.